A very warm welcome to Funchal. The local time here is the same as London, making it 20 minutes past 11 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening any overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Before you leave us today, please check you have all of your personal belongings with you, including anything you may have placed in your seat area during the flight. If you do require any assistance here in Funchal, please contact our colleagues, who will be happy to help. For those customers ordered assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear and our crew will be on hand to assist you. On behalf of Russell Board and BA Euroflyer, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you and a very good morning to you all.